When is a fig ready to be harvested? So here I have this brown turkey fig, and right here you're looking at pretty much a fig that's ready to be harvested. The telltale signs are the coloring from first sight, and when you touch it, it's very soft. And the most obvious sign, well, maybe not too obvious, but it starts to sag. Look at how that branch that the fig is on is bent with the weight of all of the sugars and starches within that fruit. That's ready to harvest. And last but not least, the ease of it coming off of that branch. That's how you know a brown turkey fig fruit is ready to be harvested. This one below it, it's on its way. It's not sagging that much, but as you can tell, the coloring is getting darker. This is a fig fruit that is a ways from being harvested because of the size, the color, and it's sitting more erect. This one beneath it, you can go ahead and harvest it. Over here, you got a couple that can be harvested. This one right here. Who's that other one? The thing is, if you don't harvest your figs, the insects will. All right. So I went away for a few days and came back and had several figs on here that were ready to be harvested. Well, they were past their harvesting time, and the ants had a field day on them. So harvest your figs, guys. You didn't put all this effort into growing figs not to harvest them. That one right here. Here. Oops. You're dropping them. Oh. There's another one. All right, so anytime you harvest from any fruit, make sure you follow up with a really good watering and light fertilizing, just to replenish that plant with the nutrients it needs to continue providing beautiful fruits for another great harvest. AJ's Green Thumb.